Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and here is an awesome update. So, when I first started this project with Lynn, we talked about just putting an LS motor in my truck. It's a 1961 Chevy C10 Apache, and that was our plan, just to put an LS in it. We would, put some new brakes in it, change the transmission. It was a 3 on a tree. But as we got into it, it just was one of those things that got stupid, and just while you're at it, do this, while you're at it, do that, and it's morphed into a huge project. We're both loving it, but it's morphed into a lot more than what we thought. Anyway, as far as the color goes, I picked out the first color, and it was kind of like a desert sand color, and I thought it would look great. And we painted the cab. Lynn painted the cab, and when we were done, we kind of looked at each other. And anyway, Lynn called me that night, and he's like, "What do you think of the color?" And I said, "Well," and he goes, "I don't like it, Tom." I said, "You know what? It's not what I thought it was." He goes, "Pick another color." So I picked another color, and that was kind of a greenish color. And we really liked the color, but the problem was, it's a shiny color and it's really thick. And my plan on this is to make this kind of a patina truck, and that color didn't work. Plus, we didn't, as Lynn said, we didn't fix all the dents. We didn't plan on fixing all the little dings and dents because it was going to be a patina truck. So that color didn't work. And Lynn's like, "Man, this is going to look like shit if we don't change it. You need to go with a different color." Well, this color is a color that I loved from the very beginning, but it's a metallic color, and we didn't think metallic would work. But the more we talked about it, the more we thought, you know what, we can make it work. And so that's what we're going with. And we were actually at a car show 2 years ago, and I saw this color, and I remembered it from when I was a kid. I don't want to go into the color until I reveal the truck, but it's not a 1961 color. But anyway, so Lynn is so damn gracious. He said, "Yeah, let's paint it. This is the last color, though, Tom. So this is the third damn color, but with primer. I don't know how many coats we got on the cab. I'll have to figure it out. But so this is the color we're going with, and it is an amazing color." And when I was at the paint store having a conversation with the guy, when we finally finish this, I'll reveal the name of the color and the name I'm naming it. So that's the update. This is what it's going to look like. Things are coming together nicely now, and this is going to be one hell of a ride. And thanks again for watching the video. Catch you on the next one.